Hey everybody, we are here today at the Mount Palomar Winery. This one we are actually club members of, one of our favorite places to go, so let's show you guys around. Oh, and their main specialty here is champagnes, so if you love the bubbly, this is your place. Okay, so they do stop tastings here after 6 p.m., so just make sure you get here in time. They do have the restaurant as well, which is delicious. We're gonna check that out too. Restrooms over here. Little outdoor bar and tasting room area. They got a members area over here too with some rocking chair benches where we'll go in a little bit. And a nice fountain with a view. And there's even, I believe, some games down there as well that you can play. And check it out. This is the view from the tables. Usually that lawn space is open, but they apparently had a special event for the owners, so they're not sure if that's going to stay up for a while, but this is what the restaurant looks like on the inside. A couple of TVs at the bar, lots of seats, and you can also sit outside as well. Okay, so they do change up their menu every once in a while, but this is the menu at the end of 2023. And then we also have drinks on the back end, specialty cocktails, beers rotating, and then of course wines as well if you're not looking to do a tasting and just want something to drink while you're dining. Okay, so we got the shrimp linguine with red sauce and the chicken sandwich with fries. We'll see you guys after. As you can see, we absolutely hated our meal. Alright, so that chicken sandwich was absolutely delicious. Avocado on it, cheese, little aioli. I add some mustard too, just for flavor, but I mean, it hits really everything you want. And the fries are those microbrew fries, so personally, I'm not the biggest fan of that style, but really good here. And yeah. How was the shrimp linguine?
It's good. It's my go-to here. They also offer it with the Alfredo truffle, but that one's like more creamy, so it's more heavy. So for me, personally, it was too heavy. With the marinara, it tastes homemade, and I like it. It's lighter. I can eat all of it versus with the truffle Alfredo. The shrimp cooked perfectly. It's not chewy texture or anything like that. It's perfect.
Yeah, and especially since we usually do our wine tastings afterwards, it doesn't make sense to have leftovers that are going to go bad with the other linguine. Okay, we are heading up top now. Just to show you guys the view, they got the swinging chairs over there. And then up here is where they do some of the weddings. Now when they do have weddings, they shut this part, that gate back there, so that way people can't interrupt you. But if you are looking to host an event, this massive courtyard space for your guests. Little bar area. Spot for possible ceremony. Changing rooms back there. And let's see if there's a view over here as well. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, wow. Okay. This seems to be the ceremony area. And that is a pretty gorgeous view. If you are gonna get married. Full little 180 of this space. But yeah, wow, it's really pretty. Time to do a little bit of tastings.
We'll get our new monthly.
We'll be right with you guys.
I went ahead and got the Solstice Rosé, which has, it looks like, hints of melon, rose petal, and grapefruit. Little less on the bubbly side, but really nice one. Definitely love it. Okay, so now we have the duet, which is honey, apricot. Oh, it's an apricot, banana, and honeydew melon flavor. Sweet, but it ends really quickly with that like nice flavor to it. Okay, so finishing off with the two staples that we love, the Brut Sparkling for me and the Romantica Sparkling for Rebecca, which is kind of like a peach Bellini. One of my favorite Bruts that I've ever tasted, and I actually really like Bruts too. It has that like sharp hint to it that you're looking for, but at the same time, I was just told they leave like 1% sugar in there, so not a like full true Brut, but like, oh, it's just perfect. I can't really explain it better than that. How is it?
Good. It's sweet, it tastes like candy, it's my best friend. But specifically, it says it's a candy mango peach with the peach gummy flavoring.
Ah, okay. Alright, and now that we're done with our tastings for the night, we got our member bottles for the month, and I'm gonna head out. Well, until next time, we hope you guys enjoyed the video of this winery and can see why we absolutely love coming here and our members. So we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.